Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 certified pre-owned GLC 300 4MATIC. Under the hood is an inline 4-cylinder 2-liter turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. Standard on the GLC are front and rear LED daytime running lights. This one has 5-spoke 18-inch wheels. Tires are in good condition. A black MB text interior, panorama roof. Coming on back here, we've got a trailer hitch, GLC 300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, fresh set of all-season floor mats, fold-down rear seats. Plenty of space in the back here. Up front here we've got a natural grain black ash wood trim, memory seats, heated seats, Burmeister sound system, heated steering wheel. We've got our steering wheel controls right here with Bluetooth capabilities, pedal shifters for extra performance. Let's go ahead and start this car up here. This one does come with the multimedia package, which comes with navigation, rear backup camera. Also comes with the Premium 1 package, which comes with blind spot assist, keyless go. We've got our dual climate controls, our hard keys, cup holders, our command center with our command functions, our dynamic select. This vehicle has only 31,042 miles, service records and Carfax available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this car, check out feldmanimports.com.